Exercise number 1, Twisting Crunch. Lift your shoulder off the ground and rotate your torso toward the opposite knee. Keep your core tight and move slowly for maximum engagement. Feel your obliques working with every twist, stay controlled and powerful. Exercise number 2, Leg Raise. Keep your legs straight and lift them up until they're vertical. Lower them slowly without touching the floor. Keep your lower back pressed down and your abs fully engaged. Control every rep, this one really hits the lower core. Exercise number 3, Russian Twist. Lean back slightly, lift your feet off the floor if you can, and twist side to side with purpose. Rotate through your waist and engage your entire core. Keep the movement steady, this is all about control and core strength. Exercise number 4, Bicycle Crunch. Bring your opposite elbow to knee while extending the other leg. Keep your movements smooth, not rushed. Focus on your obliques and keep your core tight. This exercise fires up your whole midsection, stay steady and strong. Exercise number 5, Plank. Keep your body in a straight line from shoulders to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold your position strong. Don't let your hips drop, this move builds endurance and total core stability. Stay locked in.